Hello, my dear friends. Today we will start Spanish. We will have some Spanish for us in English. So let's have a look at this book called Sueña. And we are starting the first level today, so I offer you to have your exercise or copybooks open, as we are going to write down some new words today. Alright, so please let's have a look at exercise number 1. Mira estos pasaportes. Mira, have a look. Estos, at this, and pasaportes, passports. And here luckily we have English variant of this text. Nombre, it's a name. Francisco, they have Bruce, alright. Apellidos, it's a surname. Rodriguez de la Fuente, Johnston for some reason, let it be. Nacionalidad, nationality. Española, and here this man is British. País, it's a country. Here we have España and here we have England. Fecha de nacimiento, it's date of birth, and here we have dates. Let's open our copybooks or exercise books and write down what is English for four, not English but Spanish. It's cuatro. 6, it's seis. And the years 1972. In our case, I would like to show you the way we are going to say the years. Just a moment. Here we have the presentation. Have a look. 1000, it's mil. 2000, it's 2000. So 1970 what? 72. 1970 and 2. Dos. What about the names of month? I got them. Los meses. January, enebro. February, febrero. March, marzo. April, abril. May, mayo. Junio, it's June. Julio, it's July. Agosto, August. Septiembre, September. Octubre, October. Noviembre, November. And December is diciembre. You may write it down. Let's have a look here. Escucha y lee este diálogo. Listen and read this dialogue. We have a dialogue between two people, Bruce and Paco. Let's have a look. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Hello, what is your name? ¿Cómo? It's how te llamas. We have in the presentation the verb llamarse. Yo, I, me llamo, my name is, I am called. Tú te llamas, you are called. Él, he, ella, she, usted, you, with respect, se llama. Nosotros, we, nos llamamos. Vosotros, you, if there are lots of you. Os llamáis. Ellos, they, men. Ellas, they, women. Ustedes, you, in respect when there are lots of you. Se llaman. It's the verb llamarse. And we have como te llamas. What is your name, right? Okay. Me llamo. I am called Paco. Y tú? Have a look at the interrogative mark in the middle of the sentence. In the middle. Bruce. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde? Where from? Eres. You are. I don't remember whether I have ser here. Yeah. The verb ser. I am, he, she, it is, we use they are. Here we have this grammar material. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él, he, ella, she, usted. You with respect. You are as. Nosotros, we, or nosotras. Nosotros, we for man, and nosotras, we for women. Somos. Vosotros, vosotras. You for man and for women. Sois, and ellos, they. Ellas, they for men and for women. And ustedes, when there are lots of you with respect, son. Here we are with the verb ser. Write it down, please, and we go further. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy inglés de Londres. ¿Y tú? I am English from London. And you? Yo soy español de Sevilla. I am Spanish from Sevilla. ¿Cómo te apellidas? What is your surname? How? Te, it's you. Apellidas, your surname is called. ¿Cómo te apellidas? What is your surname? Johnston. ¿Y tú? Johnston, and you? And yours? Rodriguez. Yes? So guys, let's have a look at exercise number 2. Pregunta a tus compañeros y completa. Ask your partner and finish these sentences. Yeah, nombre Ludmila, apellido Mazurenko. And now your nombre and apellido, please. Exercise number 3. Relaciona los nombres con sus fotografías. Complete or match these names. Yeah, Julio Iglesias. Los nombres, the names. Con, with, sus, their, fotografías, pictures. Right? So, and we can say number 1 is Julio Iglesias. Right? Julio Iglesias is. In Spanish it's es. Número 1 it's uno. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Exercise number 4. Contesta a las preguntas siguientes. Finish or complete the questions, the following questions. ¿Cómo se apellida Julio? And ¿cómo se apellida Juan Carlos, Gabriel, Plácido, and Mario? ¿Cómo? It's how actually, but the translation will be what is the surname of, what is Julio's surname, you know, like this. So, ¿cómo se apellida Julio? Iglesias. Julio se apellida Iglesias. No? Yes, that is all actually about lesson number 1. You have lots of words to learn. So please, nombre, apellidos, nacionalidad, país, fecha de nacimiento, cómo te llamas, me llamo, and so on. Right? That is all about this, and we are going to have alphabet the next lesson. Try. Thank you very much, and ciao.